Introducing Toolbox. We're going to explore the Optimize section, and we're going to use the option of Smart RAM. So from here, we're able to select our RAM, and we can select Go. From here, we can select either Smart or Deep Clean multiple times in order to get more processing power in our RAM. So we'll select the Smart Clean first, and we can see that 341 megabytes have been released. Let's try a deep, and we can see that more memory gets released as we go on, and repeatedly rinse cycles.